What is the M&N Financing Lawsuit? The M&N Financing Lawsuit is a legal dispute that arose in 2020 between a group of investors and the financing company M&N Financing Corporation. The investors allege that M&N Financing engaged in fraud and deceit by misrepresenting the nature of its investment opportunities and failing to disclose important information to investors. Background on M&N Financing Corporation. M&N Financing Corporation is a company based in the United States that offers financing options to small and medium-sized businesses. The company provides short-term financing options, such as merchant cash advances, to businesses that cannot obtain traditional bank loans. M&N Financing Lawsuit details. The M&N Financing Lawsuit was filed in federal court in the United States in early 2020. The plaintiffs in the case allege that M&N Financing engaged in fraud and deceit by misrepresenting the nature of its investment opportunities and failing to disclose important information to investors. According to the lawsuit, M&N Financing promised investors high rates of return on their investments, claiming that the assets were safe and low risk. However, the investors allege that M&N Financing failed to disclose important information about the risks associated with the investments, including that many businesses that received financing from M&N Financing were already in financial distress. The investors also allege that M&N Financing engaged in a Ponzi scheme, using new investments to pay returns to existing investors. The lawsuit claims that M&N Financing used false and misleading financial statements to hide that it was not generating enough revenue to support the returns it promised to investors. Recent developments in the M&N Financing lawsuit. In early 2021, the court overseeing the M&N Financing lawsuit denied a motion by M&N Financing to dismiss the case. The court ruled that the investors had provided enough evidence to support their fraud and deceit claims and that the case could proceed to trial. Since then, there have been no significant developments in the case. It is unclear when the case will go to trial or what the outcome of the case will be. Implications of the M&N Financing lawsuit. The M&N Financing lawsuit has important implications for investors and the broader financial industry. It highlights the risks associated with investing in alternative financing options, particularly those that promise high rates of return. The case also underscores the importance of transparency and disclosure in the financial industry. Investors rely on accurate and timely information to make informed investment decisions, and companies that fail to provide this information can face severe legal and economic consequences. Finally, the M&N Financing lawsuit is a reminder of the importance of due diligence when investing. Investors should always conduct thorough research and analysis before investing in any opportunity, particularly those that promise high rates of return or are marketed as low-risk investments. In conclusion, the M&N Financing lawsuit is a legal dispute between investors and the financing company M&N Financing Corporation. The investors allege that M&N Financing engaged in fraud and deceit by misrepresenting the nature of its investment opportunities and failing to disclose important information to investors.